वेट 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 एक विजुअल एक सेकंड वन मोर मैडम किधर है? रुक जाओ ना भाई
नहीं मिलेंगे आप।
दिनेश लेंस आ गया तेरा शॉट
तू काय करणार रे
My mom.
चालू कर आप करतोय ना पण
नेहा. Yes, no.
दिनेश लेंस आ रहा है पीछे कर
भाई एक मिनट फोटो करते हैं चलेगा यस नाइस क्या नाम है इनके हाँ उसको आगे उनको पीछे
Why are people trying to make come this side?
थोड़ा नजदीक आइए सर आइए
Are you ready?
यस रेडी
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tia. Happy birthday to you.
ये दोबारा
Whoa!
Did you hear the birthday song? Baby, are you on diet by any chance? Don't talk about that.
Look at her. She doesn't look like so fresh. She doesn't need one.
Thank you.
I was a bad camera, buddy. You took that pause in between. Wasn't I drunk?
I don't know. Oh my god. Let me. He's a writer.
Oh!
Come in.
Let's get going.
Ashmi, come. No. हमने just अभी birthday cake काटा है. आवाज आ रही है. खुशहाल कुछ चाहिए. Ashmi. Thank you.
Happy 21st. 16?
16.
That's me. After 16. No.
Baby? Wait. I have to. Now you guys have to follow me. This is going to be. Wow.
लव इट
Very happy birthday to you. Exactly how was your day? Please tell me something about your day.
It was amazing. I couldn't have asked for more. Every year, my family surprises me with little things, and little things is what matters, right? So, and then we have a tradition to go to an orphanage, and we did that. We continued doing that, which was very soul fulfilling. And then there was shopping, and then there was this party, and then there was all of you, and now the party is getting even more exciting. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. So, who was the first person to wish you and exactly at 12 o'clock?
My mom. She never misses to do that. Like, I don't know how she does that, but she never misses to do that. So yeah, my mom.
Okay, so what are the extra surprises are you waiting for tonight?
I am actually waiting for my friends to come. They've not come yet, and I know they're going to bring in some crazy vibes, crazy energy here. Most of the surprise I've already received. I woke up with flowers and chocolates and some healthy fruits, which was unusual but nice. So Yeah, let's see what my friends have to bring in.
Okay, so any ma'am upcoming project you'd like to share because viewers are waiting for you.
I'm waiting for the viewers to see me too. But there's a lot going on. I'm coming back after 4 years. So there's a lot going on. There's so much that I'm figuring out what I need to do, what I don't need to do. Great positive things are happening, but nothing is such that I can disclose right now. And I hope you all respect that. But I'm being back soon. That's for sure.
Okay, ma'am, any memorable birthday you'd like to share till now?
Most of my childhood birthdays actually. You know, when we're a child, little things matter. Like decisions like मैं school में कौन सा chocolate दूंगी is the most exciting thing. And I think that simplicity I miss. You know, as you grow older, आपको fancy चीज़ों के पीछे पड़ना होता है. But childhood memories, oh my God, I miss them.
Okay, people say or you believe it not, अगर बर्थडे की दिन अगर कुछ मांगा जाता है, so people say it is fulfilled or बहुत जल्द पूरी होती है. So is there any your wish?
हाँ, मतलब बहुत सारी, but one of is to pick the right show. You know, lot has been offered as I told you, but to pick the right show and to be on the right platform where my audiences can relate with me is my wish for this year. Like, yeah, I want to be back and I want to do it for my audiences. There are a lot of people who message me and tell me, we want to see you. So, that's my wish.
Okay, lastly, ma'am, any message you'd like to give to your fans who are wishing for your for morning?
I always keep saying one thing. We actors shoot in extreme conditions, in extreme health conditions, in extreme weather conditions, mental conditions. वो आधा घंटा जो हम शूट करते हैं वो आपको सिर्फ आधा घंटा लगता है पर हम बहुत मेहनत डालते हैं. सो थैंक यू हमें इतना प्यार करने के लिए, मुझे इतना प्यार करने के लिए. 4 साल में नहीं थी बट आई नेवर फेल्ट लाइक मैं नहीं हूँ बिकॉज यू ऑल केप्ट सेंडिंग मी मैसेजेस. And thank you for doing that. I am so grateful. I must have done something nice, something good, something right.
Thank you, ma'am. I have a pleasure.
Thank you.
पूछ लो.
पार्टी की कितने एक्साइटेड है पार्टी का?
अरे बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ. ईरा का बर्थडे है तो क्यों कैसे ना एक्साइटेड हुए.
क्या सरप्राइज पैक है?
सरप्राइज तो एक्चुअली कल था जब मैंने मतलब व्हेन आई सेंट हर द गिफ्ट, तो दैट वाज द सरप्राइज. तो आज ये पार्टी तो पहले से ही डिसाइडेड था, तो इट्स अमेजिंग. गिफ्ट तो सरप्राइज है जो मैंने उसको भेज दिया एंड आई एम श्योर उसको वो बहुत पसंद है. ईरा के साथ बेस्ट मेमोरीज तो बहुत सारी है. अभी रिसेंटली हम लोग एक पार्टी में गए थे तो पूरे रास्ते हम जो है ना पूरे रास्ते हम लाइव करते हुए आए थे. तो दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड मेमोरी जो शायद उसको भी पता हो, वो भी यही चेरिश करना चाहेगी कि दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड मेमोरी जो हम पूरे रास्ते में इंस्टाग्राम लाइव थे और वी वर हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ फन. थैंक यू.
So firstly, Ira Soni ka birthday hai. You've come here, so how exactly are you feeling and what were the wishes that you gave?
I get really excited with birthdays. मैं भी birthday celebrate करता हूँ and it's nice to have a friend celebrate the birthday, especially when I don't meet her very often और suddenly एक surprise message आया and she said, you know, you have to come. I'm calling all my old friends and so it's a great surprise. हम actually हाल ही में मिले थे बहुत टाइम के बाद and this was a nice reunion again. So I wish her all the very best for health, happiness and success.
So what was the surprise that you gave?
No, she's going to get the surprise कि मैं आया हूँ क्योंकि मैंने उसको बोला था कि I can't come, मैं नहीं आ सकता, मैं शूटिंग कर रहा हूँ and finally I've just come. So she doesn't know yet.
Oh, so we saw you right now in Gooden. You
Yes.
did a character. Apart from that, what are your upcoming projects that you have?
तो मैंने इश्क में मरजावा कंप्लीट किया कैमियो. अब मैंने गुड्डन किया है. अब एक्चुअली मैं थोड़ा राइटिंग में बिजी था और राइटिंग का प्रोसेस ऐसा है कि अगर आप डेली शो कर रहे हो, इफ़ यू रियली वर्किंग ऑन टेलीविजन एवरी डे, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू सिट एंड राइट. एंड आई एम राइटिंग फॉर द वेब. आई एम रियली क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट फॉर द वेब फॉर डिफरेंट चैनल्स, यू नो. So at the moment, there is something in the pipeline that I'm writing as well as acting in for quite a notable director. But this is something I can only reveal once I can when I can reveal it. Yeah. So
Alright, thank you so much.
thank you and happy birthday, Ira.
Happy.
Any special plan
I wanna-
from your side?
No surprise from my side. It was surprising to get a call from her, which is good. So I just want to wish her a very happy birthday and a very prosperous year and very, all happiness and, all success in the future.
ओके ईरा जी ने जैसे कहा कि मेरे यहाँ पर जो भी फ्रेंड्स आ रहे हैं बहुत दिनों के बाद मिल रहे हैं, सो एनी मेमोरी यू लाइक टू शेयर बिकॉज़ बहुत दिन के बाद सब मिल रहे हैं.
I hope we make enough memories today that we can share. Let's not get.
Any one quality you like the most about Ira?
I think she's a very warm person, very friendly, very warm person. Good person, good at heart. What would you want in a person?
Any upcoming projects that you have that you would like to share with us?
I did a web series for Sony. I'm doing one more for Woot right now, and then I'm doing something on my own also, which I would rather not talk. क्योंकि वो क्या बोलते हैं वो नज़र लग जाती है. काजल लगा के नहीं आया वो. नज़र लग जाएगी.
Okay, so lastly, any wish you make to make for Ira?
Pardon?
Any wish you
Lastly,
like to make
wishes
for
for
Ira?
Ira.
Yeah, I hope she gets all that she wants. I wish her a very, very happy new year. I hope she keeps looking as beautiful, as young, as happy forever.